Hi, I'm Ariel Major, and I'm a product owner here at Cavallo. Today, I'm going to show you how to never miss a delivery date. Let's get started. It's hard to manage delivery dates on orders, so let Distribution Cloud's Mission Control do some of that management for you. I'm going to show you how you can build a process around order delivery dates so that you don't miss delivery dates again. For this, I'll show you how to manage rush orders. I'm going to go to this top right corner here and click Workflows. I'm going to edit the order workflow. On the order workflow page, you'll see that I have 6 queues. I have a new order queue, an order details queue, a create invoice queue, picking queue, shipping queue, and an ending queue. For rush orders, I want my orders that are rushed to go to a rush orders queue and skip the order details queue. To do this, I'm going to add a new queue for rush orders, and I'm going to drag it up between order details and create invoice. As I mentioned before, I want to skip the order details queue. In order to do this, I'm going to add an alternate path to the new order queue by clicking this edit icon and toggling on does it have any alternate paths. I'm going to put rush orders here for the alternate path and say a field from the order and customer PO number contains a fixed value of rush. If it does, I want it to move directly to the rush orders queue rather than the order details queue. I'm going to hit save here, and then I need to edit the rush orders queue to have a primary path to go directly to creating the invoice. So I'm going to double check and make sure all of my queues have a next path forward, and they do. And I'm going to hit apply changes. Now I'll create a rush order and show how it goes through the queue. I'm going to create an order. And since this is a rush order, I'm going to put rush on here in the customer PO field. And you'll see that instead of the order details queue showing up in this top right corner on the blue button, it says submit to rush orders. That's because I put rush in the customer PO number field. So I'm going to do that, and then it goes directly to submitting to create invoice. And that's how you manage rush orders. And that's how you never miss a delivery date. If you have any questions, or if you have any other topics that you'd like for us to discuss, please add them to the comment section below. Otherwise, for more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us.